I spied with my little eyes these posts that are going to help me in my garden right here. I believe they go for like $7 a pop, so I'm going to save myself $7 a pop. But unfortunately, they are all the way in the back and they're on the bottom of all this crap. So wish me luck and hope that I'm able to find my way back out. This is my she shed. So like Rob said, it's my problem. I have to clean it out. So, looks like here's $21 I've saved right there. Let's go save some more money. Without breaking my neck.
Throw it! I dare ya!
And I chose a 90-degree day to do this. But it's gotta get done. And my plants need some protection. Oh shit. So there is a lot of wood that is actually underneath all this crap. So once we get a dumpster here and we can start filling it up, obviously these bins I found were like a lot of decent toys for kids, so that's the kind of stuff I'm going to donate, and then the rest is just going into a trash. We'll get a big dumpster and throw it all away. So it looks like I'll be saving some money here. I'd say that's like, I don't know, $121 I think. 120 something dollars in stakes for the garden. I made it out in one piece. I didn't get eaten alive by anything back there. And I think I scored pretty well. So I'm going to take this for a win because we need a win. We have a lot of work to do around here. And if we can save little by little, we're going to take those wins. We're going to call them wins and take them when we can get them. So I'm going to consider this a win for my garden. And a win because I didn't break anything trying to get them. And we need all the wins that we can take. And my bingo wings, they've already flown away within like 2 days of working on this project. Okay, that's enough for me. I'm going inside to grab some water before I pass out.
Thank you so much for watching the video. I know it was a short one, but you can hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get alerts on when we post our videos, which is Sunday and Wednesday of every week. We have a lot to do around this homestead, and we sure would like you to come along on our journey. Be kind to one another and take care.